Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by ensuring you have admin access so changes stick. If not, request it now. Open Settings, then System and Power and Sleep, or use Control Panel to reach power options. Once there, locate the currently active power plan and select Change Plan Settings. This is where idle timeouts live. Make sure to keep the window open. You'll adjust both display and sleep timings next. This step prepares the exact controls you will modify to stop the PC from going idle. Now change the screen and sleep options. Set screen to never or a long timeout, and set sleep to never for both battery and plugged in if you need no idle suspension. Once done, click Save Changes. This prevents automatic idling at a basic level. Make sure to change advanced power settings to tweak hard drive, USB selective suspend, and PCI Express power management, because those can still cause perceived idling. These deeper settings keep background devices from forcing the system idle. Finish by disabling the screensaver or setting it to blank with no wait, and confirm your lock screen timeout matches your plan so it doesn't reintroduce idle behavior. Make sure network adapters and USB hubs aren't allowed to power down in Device Manager. Uncheck power saving boxes. If the PC still goes idle, run powercug/requests and powercug/energy from an elevated command prompt to find the culprit process or driver. If you spot a blocked device, update or disable its power management to resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.